Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. Beautiful day out here at the park again. It's FPV Friday, y'all. So I'm out here with something to fly FPV. I got the King Kong 110 GT out here again. And this time I'm gonna try to do some FPV with it. Now this camera, I don't particularly like it, but it doesn't have a bad image or anything like that. The image is actually pretty clear. It just has a little cartoon, it just has a cartoony look to it, in my opinion. And also for some reason it never links up with the the onboard video never links up with my commentary video. Maybe it's skipping frames or something. I'm not sure what it is that makes this thing always fall out of sync. But I'm gonna try to FPV it anyhow. And this camera, another thing, I have it pitched really hard, more than my liking anyhow, so that forces you to fly fast a little. But since it's enough open space out here, I think I'm gonna try to fly with it. And I hope everything goes well. 450 packs from GMB, that is. No buzzer on this guy. Let's see if I can get this thing to start recording. Okay, so let's get it. Seems normal now. Still flying line of sight with it though. Okay, let's try some FPV with it now. Punch out on this thing is crazy. Feels like I'm flying in a really small space. How fast this thing is flying, because I have that camera tilt. Can slow it down though, fly through here. Sheesh, the shadows are bad on this thing though, on this camera. This thing seems floaty as I don't know what. Sheesh. Uh-oh. It did it on me again. I was really far away that time though. I got all these trees in here. All these trees up here between me and the aircraft. Sheesh, but that was fun though. I can't wait till I get something out here with Express LRS on it. I did buy another Express LRS receiver, a little light receiver, and I have a couple other things coming to the channel with Express LRS. So I should be able to have more fun out here, show you guys on the camera me flying through these trees and all, flying this whole park without any issues. But in the meanwhile, we gotta deal with this, y'all. So I came down somewhere over here, not sure exactly where. I definitely should have set up B-shot commands on this guy so I can have the motors beep to let me know when I go down. I can find this thing easier. I just know it came down over here somewhere. I have no idea exactly where. Alright y'all, so I found it. It's been a little while, a few minutes now. I doubt if the battery really has a lot of juice in it. Actually, let me see if I can fly it a little bit. I'm not really going to fly it long though, at all, because I know this battery is probably about to go. It still got punch. I'm not going to really try to kill the battery and all, but had an awesome fly with it. FPV Friday, y'all. The King Kong 110 GT. Awesome little flyer. Not bad for FPV. Thanks for watching.